I'm going to discuss Oxford Advanced Learner's Dictionary of Current English Class, or you may call it Dictionary Skills. This book is written by S. Hornby. He's a great grammarian. He has written two grammar books. I have possessed one, that is verb patterns and uses in English. So, and we'll proceed. I have choose every day. I will choose one word and I will discuss its all entries and with also grammatical standpoint. So I have chosen one word, that is abandon. Abandon means in verb. Verb means to abandon କରିବା. abandon କରିବା ମାନେ ପରିତ୍ୟକ୍ତ କରିବା, ଜଣକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବା। ତାର ସିନୋନିମ୍ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ? ଲିଭ୍, ପରିତ୍ୟାଗ କରିବା। ଟୁ ଲିଭ୍ somebody, especially somebody ମାନେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିବା, କେବଳ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ବିଷୟରେ। ପ୍ରଥମେ in English, before discussing this word, I want to say in English it is not just like Sanskrit language. In English means it is the amalgam of all world classes language. We know, as in history, English language comes from Anglo-Saxon Jute. It is the amalgam of all world classical language. So when in one language there are many mix of language, so there also be a many meaning of a word. गोटे word रो गोटे meaning नहीं. It is called heteroglossia. Heteroglossia means many voice, many meaning. According to Bakhtin, in English word has many meaning. So we have also discussed the abandon means abandon is used in 5 different meaning as a verb. We'll discuss one by one. The first one is abandon, to leave somebody, ଜଣକୁ ପରିତ୍ୟାଗ କରିବା, ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି, leave somebody, ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିବା, leave somebody, especially you are responsible for with no intention of returning, ଆଉ ଫେରେଇବାର ନାହିଁ, so ପରିତ୍ୟାଗ କରିବା, leave. So there is an example. The baby had been abandoned by its mother. The baby had been abandoned, ପରିତ୍ୟାଗ କରାଗଲା, ତା ମା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେ. The baby had been abandoned. Abandon means ପରିତ୍ୟାଗ କରିବା. ଏଠି ଇଟ୍ସ କାହିଁକି ବସିଲା? କାରଣ କାହା ପାଇଁ ବସିଛି? ବେବି ପାଇଁ ବସିଛି. So baby gender କ'ଣ? We don't know this gender, whether it is boy or girl. So ସେଥିପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ବସିଲା? It. When we cannot determine its gender, we can use it. So the first meaning is to leave somebody, ଜଣକୁ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିବା. Human being, ଯେକୌଣସି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି, to leave somebody, especially you are responsible for with no intention of return, ଆଉ ଫେରେଇବାର ନାହିଁ, returning. So then we will proceed to another meaning of abandon, that is things. To leave a things or place, ଗୋଟେ things ମାନେ ବସ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ଥାନ, especially because it is impossible or dangerous to stay here. ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗା ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବା, ଗୋଟେ ବସ୍ତୁକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବା, କାରଣ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଆଉ ରହିବ ନାହିଁ, ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ଆଉ ରହିବ ନାହିଁ. So there is also example. Snow forced many driver. Snow ମାନେ snowfall ମାନେ ବରଫ ପଡ଼ିବା ବା ଯେଉଁ ତୁଷାରପାତ. ଫୋର୍ସ କରିବା, ବାଧ୍ୟ କଲା, many drivers to abandon their vehicles. ତାଙ୍କ ଭେହିକିଲକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ବାଧ୍ୟ କଲା, କାରଣ the driver could not see to the front. How can he drive? It's impossible. So the snow, जोटा fog ଯାହା ବି ହଉ ନା କାହିଁକି, forced many drivers को କ'ଣ କରୁଛି? ବାଧ୍ୟ କରୁଛି to abandon their driving. So we'll proceed to another example. They had to abandon their land. ତାଙ୍କୁ ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ଥାନ ଛାଡ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡ଼ିଲା, ତାଙ୍କ ଘରଟି ହୋମଷ୍ଟେ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଛାଡ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡ଼ିଲା, to the invading force. Invading force means ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଶାସନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବା ଇନଭେଟ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି. ଇନଭେଟ୍ ମାନେ ଆକ୍ରମଣ କରିବା, ଆକ୍ରମଣ ଫୋର୍ସ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ କ'ଣ କଲା? ବାଧ୍ୟ ହୋଇକି ସେ ଜାଗା ଛାଡ଼ିଲେ, ଆକ୍ରମଣ ପାଇଁ ସେ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହୋଇକି ତାଙ୍କ ଜାଗା ଛାଡ଼ିଲେ. They had to abandon their lands to the invading force. invading force ପାଇଁ ସେ କ'ଣ କଲେ? ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେ. Then we will proceed to the next third meaning. Abandon is to stop supporting and helping somebody. ଆଉ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେବା. Abandon means ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେବା, ଆଉ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବା ନାହିଁ. So to stop supporting or helping somebody. Means the country abandoned its political leader after the war. Political leader को साहाଯ୍य करा नहीं country. The country abandoned its political leaders को after the war. After war परे ଆଉ political leader ମାନଙ୍କୁ से साहाଯ୍य करा नहीं. To stop supporting or helping somebody. Then we will proceed to the fourth meaning of the word. Stop. Something to stop doing something, especially before it finished. कौन कौजी? Something to stop doing something, especially before it finished. They abandoned the cricket match because of heavy rain. से क्रिकेट मैच छाड़ी देले कारण बहुत जोर वर्षा हला. It is raining cats and dog. Cats and dog माने heavy raining. So they abandon means ते समाने परित्याग कले छाड़ी देले जागा. The cricket match छाड़ी देले because of heavy raining. To stop doing something. जो गोटे काम करूले जो एक्शन करूले हटा बंद कर देले हठात बंद कर देले. They have postponed the cricket match. Procrastinate means what is called घुंचाइबा जहाँ भी हो. They have postponed the match due to heavy raining, or they have abandoned means परित्याग कर दबा the cricket match because of heavy raining. Then we will proceed to the fifth meaning of the word abandon, that is to feel an emotion strongly that you can feel nothing else. Abandon means to feel an emotion, गोटे इमोशन को फील करिवो strongly that you can feel nothing else. आउ किसी ने जहाँ गोटे भावु तो सही भावना ही थिबो. To feel an emotion, गोटे इमोशन को धरिक रखिबा. He abandoned himself to despair. से दुखरे रहया ପାଇଁ स्थिर कले. He abandoned himself. से निजको दुखरे से निज दुखरे से बुडी रहिचंती, डुबी रहिचंती. He abandoned himself. Abandon परे himself बसছে लक्ष्य करो. The word, this confirm reflexive pronoun. Abandon, enjoy. He enjoy himself to the despair. जहाँ भी होना कहेंगे. We'll proceed to the another. So the fifth meaning is to feel an emotion so strongly that you can feel nothing else. तुम आउ किसी अनुभव करि परिबो नाही केवल सही जिनसटा तुम मन मध्य थिबो. He abandoned himself to despair. से दुखर रहया पई स्थिर करी माने दुखर रहया पई बाध्य होला. So we'll proceed to the noun. Abandonment means noun. Abandon ro कोन noun होची abandonment. The act of abandoning something or someone. माने जण एटा नाउन वस्तु को बुझेबो. If girl married, जदि गोटे झियो बा हुए married with parents consent, without, sorry, here, so here mention abandonment means noun. The act of abandoning something or someone. If girl married without the parents consent. The parents consent means पिता मातांकर पेरेंट्स लक्ष्य कर apostrophe s परे बसी काहेकि पेरेंट्स होची प्लुराल. जणे थिले रामस सीतास गर्ल्स हाई स्कूल हेटी गर्ल्स का पर बसी गर्ल्स ता परे बसी apostrophe. So if girl married without the parents consent, she would abandoned by the family and tribe. जदि if a girl married without the parents consent, parent बिना अनुमति रे जदि मैरिज करे निश्चित भाव रे he would be rejected, he would be abandoned by the family or tribe. It is a noun. Then we will proceed to adjective. Abandon means कौन? Abandon means left no longer wanted. मु आउ चाहू नहीं ताकू. or used or needed. आउ आवश्यक नहीं से वस्तु मोर दरकार नहीं. No longer having been left. ताकू मु बाहर कर देछि. Means left. There is a meaning. Abandon means it is adjective. Abandon means adjective. It is adjective. Left no longer wanted. मु आउ चाहू नहीं. I don't want this thing. Then what is called? And used or needed. I don't want to use it. Then also we have also example. So here synonym use kon forsaken also same. बाहर करदेवा डेसर्टर एंड कास्ट एसाइड ताकू बाहर करदेवा ए आबांडन कार माने परित्यक्त कार नष्ट हो गलानी डैमेज हो गलानी बहुत दिन हो गलानी ता कौन गला ता कौन कहे कास्ट एसाइड कर देछि बाहर कर देछि फॉरसेकन करदेवा नन आबांडन करदेवा एन आबांडन हाउस मीन्स व्हाट इज कॉल्ड फॉरसेकन हाउस. So I think I have finished this word abandon. We'll discuss the next word in the next upcoming class. Thank you. See you then.